Hello friend, in this video I will show you how to make your playlist private. Okay, so subscribe the channel and like the video. Okay, now click on the Spotify app if you want to make the your playlist private. Okay, so when you open your Spotify app, there is, you go to your home, you can add any songs to your playlist and making playlist like this. For example, this is the songs. I just click the any songs, and after I click any songs, I add that to the playlist. Okay, now song, just I click this add to other playlist. I add this to my playlist best song. Okay, when now I am going to my library. Okay, when I go to my library, click the bell icon into all and like the video if you like it. Okay, and if you have any question related to education, related to technical, just click on the Telegram app and search here Mr. MRWIP, Mr. Whip. If any question you have, there is the songs best song. When you have just click this, when you click this, just click on the three dot button. When you click on the three dot button, there is a make public. Okay, just click on the make public. But when you click this, here is make private. You just click the make private option, then your playlist become private. Okay, no one can see it in your profile. Okay, that's the best things you can do. So if you have any question, join Telegram, and please subscribe the channel to complete our 1000 subscriber. Thanks for watching.